Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is Piston Day. We're trying to get the pistons put together to get them ready for rings. I've already assembled this one. These are lock washers for the rod cap. We've already got one assembled. And I figured I'd assemble this one and show you about it. Okay. So what I got, this is a wrist pin clip, and it goes in this groove in the piston. And I'm putting it on the BF side of this piston because if you look, the DF is the fan side. So I'm going to put it in the BF side like this. I'm going to try to do this where you can see, I hope. Some of this stuff on these little motors is tedious, so it's kind of hard to get a good camera shot. And what we're going to do, it ain't working too good, is it? Is I'm going to squeeze this together just enough to get that in there and then push it down into its forever home in the groove. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I don't want these opening right there, so we're going to rotate it down where they're not in the opening. That makes sense. Okay, this is our wrist pin, our new wrist pin. Now, these new rods do not have fan written on them. They've got numbers on the moto side. Well, the moto side would go toward the 251. Okay, that's my deduction. It didn't say one way or another, but these rods have the moto side will go on the BF side of the piston, and I'm putting a little lube on the wrist pin. We're going to drop it in the side of the piston like so. Stick our rod in and work our wrist pin in, making sure it goes down all the way. No worries. I think it needs to go down just a little bit. There we go. And then we drop our wrist pin clip in like so. Might get it to do it. These wrist pin clips are fun when you got fat fingers. But we ain't scared. If we was, we'd probably have to buy a dog. You reckon? Not sure. I would if I had to. Need to clip. There we go, like that right there. Double check your clip, okay? Make sure the clip is in its groove, because if it ain't, you will have catastrophic engine failure. That's not something you want. Tire slips in, and voila, you got a piston mounted on the rod, ready for us to install rings. The rings I got to dig out, so here we go. I'm trying to make this video short, where they ain't like right now. We're just doing some short video stuff, and guys, I can't thank y'all enough. Make sure you hit like, share, and subscribe. Follow along, hit the notification bell, and you'll be notified when I upload more junk. Thank y'all so much. I appreciate every one of you, and we'll see you on the next one.